In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit whiteboard mode in Canva. If you've been working on a brainstorming board, a mind map, or a large planning layout and suddenly realize you need a more structured page, this process is exactly what you need. Whiteboard mode in Canva is great for freeform thinking, but when it's time to organize everything into a document or presentation, that infinite canvas can start to feel difficult to manage. The good news is that Canva gives you a straightforward way to convert that open workspace into a fixed layout. To begin, open your active whiteboard project in Canva. From the homepage, you can either look through your recent designs or head into the projects section in the left sidebar. Find the whiteboard you want to work with and open it so the full canvas is visible on your screen. Starting from the correct file is important, especially if you've been working across several drafts. Once the whiteboard is open, take a moment to identify the main content you want to keep. Before resizing anything, select your primary elements carefully. Hold down the Shift key and click on your main text boxes, notes, diagrams, or other important items so they're all highlighted together. After that, use the Group option in the toolbar to combine them into one unit. This helps protect your layout and makes it much easier to move everything into a standard frame without accidentally shifting pieces out of place. Next, move to the top area of the Canva editor and click the magic switch button. This is the tool that opens Canva's conversion and resizing options. When the panel appears, you'll be able to choose how you want to transform your whiteboard into a more traditional format. From there, select the page type or size that best fits your project. You can choose resize to custom size if you already know your dimensions, or pick a preset such as presentation 16:9 or a doc layout. Once you've chosen the format you want, make sure the option is selected correctly, then click Continue. This tells Canva to prepare the design for its new structure. When the confirmation prompt appears, choose Copy and Resize. That's an especially useful option because it keeps your original whiteboard intact while creating a new version in the fixed format. After the new file opens, review the placement of your grouped content. You can drag it into position and use Canva's alignment guides to center and balance everything neatly within the page boundaries. Once everything looks right, go to Share, then Download, and export your finished file. That's it. You've successfully exited whiteboard mode in Canva and turned your freeform board into a clean, structured design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.